All right, guys, we're gonna do just a little bit of trail riding here. Kind of know where I'm going, kind of already scouted it out a little bit. So here we go. Oh, through some heavy grass, real heavy grass. All right, here we go. Through the kudzu. All right. Knock some of this stuff out of here and continue on. I'm over here off the Doodle Trail. Kind of got a nice little area that I want to check out that not many people get to go through. And I figured I'd go through it and get some good shots. Check this out. It's awesome back here. Oh, look at this. Woohoo! All right. Whew. Some neat little off-roading adventure. Oh, woohoo! Damn it, man. Whew, phone and everything. A heck of a little fall there. Whew. Some pedal drags right there. All right. We'll try not to do that again. Let's go see if we can continue on here for a little bit. Woo! A good little fall. Oh, little bush got me. Check it out. Awesome. Nice little pine forest back here. This is neat. Definitely a nice little area. Let's see if I can get my way out of here. All right. All right. Moving through a little bit. Don't know where I'm going, but all right. Whoa. All right. Ooh. Pine forest, a little deep here for me. See if I can get out of here. Oh. Here we go. Ooh. Looks like a little trail back through there. All right. Whew. Where are we? Let's see if I can get up on it. Whoa. Whew. Whoa. Trail riding. All right. Whew. I really want to go back that way. Let's see. All right. I guess I'm gonna cut it back through there. All right. Whoa. All right. Opening coming up here. All right. Whew. I got something stuck in my wheel. Where am I going? Nobody knows. Whew. All right. There's a little adventure there. Check that out. Oh, that's a good little trail. I have to go get Molly and Bubba and give that a run, bring my nephew out. Take it a little bit slower. Whew. This air feels good. All right. welcome to South Carolina. It's about 94 degrees out. I'm in the middle of the Doolittle Trail, just checking the woods out. Let's see what we got here. See if I can make it back through here again. Got the trail. There we go. All right. Good job. Ooh, deep grass. That's definitely a new one on me. That was fun. All right. Peace out.